So I'm taking this apart because the switch here no longer works on this lamp, but it's got this square on the bottom there. And then when you look at it, it's got those, where is it? Right here, you got two pins where one goes to one side and the other one goes to the other side. And then literally, it's the wire on the bottom there. Let's see if this will focus. Right there, you can see that's where the wire pinches. So I was getting rid of another lamp and I got this out of it. But this one uses screws, which is the same thing. You just gotta put one on that side and the other one on the other side because those are the only two connectors. One goes to the middle connector here, and then the other one goes to the ground. So I just gotta see which side goes where before I take it out because then I can plug it the same way. Let's see if it'll work. All right, so you can just slip that out and you end up with the wires here. So I'm gonna split them down, strip them, and then we'll put them on the new one. All right, so I got it all set up here. The right side went into the little loop on that one, and this one is going to the other one. So before I put it back, because this one is actually metal, this actually has a, let me see if I can show it to you. It's covered in like a cardboard, but uh, I will put some electrical tape around here just to make sure nothing touches with anything here. But as you can see, that's pretty much just like the one in the lamp. It's just a different type, but this one's the more common one, which came from a different lamp. So this one has that square that I showed you, and those are the two pins right there. And the old lamp or the other lamp had this one, but that's going in the trash, and I thought I'd get the part. So there you go. I'll test it out in a second. So here you go. I got electrical tape covering the whole bottom, and I'm going to put it back. Might put a little more just to make sure nothing. There's cardboard on the bottom there too, but I just want to be sure nothing touches. So here's the moment of truth. Will it work? Haha. Let's give it a second. Make sure it doesn't burn anything. Looks good. Now the switch works. The old one was broken. Wouldn't turn on. Beautiful. So there you go. That's how I changed this lamp.